Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today. Yes, the day before Christmas. In this daily newspaper of Friday. Yes, Friday, December the 24th, 2021. Here, let me show you. Friday, December the 24th, 2021. We have here one regular puzzle, a Sudoku Medium, and actually two, because this one, it's a quintuplet. Yeah, quintuplet. It's today Friday, not Saturday, because these puzzles, the publisher published on Saturday, but Saturday, tomorrow, it's Christmas Day, so we have no newspaper. And in today's newspaper, the additional, let me show you, we have 6 extra puzzles: letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, tectonic with 4 stars, binary, and a tectonic. And those puzzles I'm not interested, so only 6 extra puzzles for today. And what I will do today is I will solve this medium Sudoku, then half of the puzzles in the additional. Tomorrow on Saturday, the other half. And on Sunday, I think I have left some puzzles in the yesterday's newspaper on Thursday. Yes, let me do this on Thursday. But it's very strange that the publisher not publish the light and the heavy Sudoku, 2 Sudokus, but he prefer to publish the Saturday edition. Yes, this is always on Saturday. And practice continues. Yes. Again, yes. But it's not Saturday, it's Friday. Alright. So let's get started. And before I start, this puzzle will be number 3877. 3877. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus in the additional, this is the additional, yes. This will be a 2 stars. For a 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Ooh. Yeah. All right. Okay. 4 in the first row. 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5 in the third column, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. So the 5 could be here or there. We see there another 5, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in the third column, 5 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 it should be here. And all the 5s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 5. Alright. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We see here 9 in the third column. So no 9 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9. I should be there. Okay. 4, 4, 2. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So the third column, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row, so no row between. Only place left for the 6 should be there. Yeah. We have a 1 in this column. 1 in the column next, so that column, the only place left for the 1 should be here. 8. Yeah. 8 and 4. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers in this row are the numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, 3, the 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, and the 8 is missing. 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 8. And look, we have a 4 and an 8 in this column. So no 4 and 8 in this box. The 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 8, so 1 digit left should be the 2. Okay, 2 numbers left in the second column for the numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 3 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 3 and a 9. Alright. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 2, 8. Yes. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row, 2 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 2 should be there. Okay. Then 2 numbers left in the third row for numbers 3 and 9. 3 and 9. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 9 goes down. 1 box left in this column for number 9. Okay. 9 in this row, 9 in the third row, so the row between. The second row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Alright. 8. Yeah. 1. 2 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are, the 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and a 7. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the second row. So the first row, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. Together with the 2, we have a pair. 2 and a 7. So 1 box left now in this big square. For the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, the 8 is missing. So we have an 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in the second, in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in the last row, 8 in that row. So in the row between, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 8. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, and 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, we see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Alright. Okay. Then. How about these 2 numbers in this big square? For the numbers, 1 is missing, 2, 3, and a 4 is missing. 1 and a 4, I cannot fill this yet. Need to mark those 2 boxes. These 2 boxes in the last row for the numbers, 1. The 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Okay. Okay. Then. How about 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I'm thinking. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used, I can see. Digit number 3, number 6. 2 numbers left in this column. The 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 4. Alright. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used, I can see. Digit number 4, number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 is missing. 8 and a 9 is missing. 7 and a 9. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can't be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 2, and all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 5, number 7. Alright. 2 missing numbers in the middle row for the numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1, the 2 is missing, 3 and a 4 is missing. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row below. The only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the last column. So the column between, the only place left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the 9 is missing, 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. The same... Oh, wait. Double 2. This cannot be a 2 here. Oh, mistake. This should be the number... 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. This should be a 4. Yeah, we have a 2 here. Yeah. Correction. Okay. These 2 numbers in this big square. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 3 and a 9 again. 3 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Told you, need 15 to 20 minutes to solve a medium Sudoku with 2 stars. 26 printed digits. Alright, I love it, this one. Yes, almost made a mistake, but I've solved this again. And I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. You can also see below the link for the quintuplet. If you like quintuplets, just go below and download the PDF file. So you can print it out and solve it by yourself. Well, it takes more than an hour to solve. That's why I leave the quintuplet. But if there are no puzzles anymore, then I will do those puzzles. Time consuming. Anyway, I like this one. Well, thank you for watching. Have a great and fantastic Friday. Yes, it's Christmas Eve. In a couple of hours. Maybe I will do 3 puzzles later. Until then, bye-bye for now. And have a great and fantastic Christmas Eve. Yes.